2025 Chevy Trax. This is the base model. 783 miles. Come down here. Here's the hood. Come to the front. It's yellow. Bring it all the way to the driver's side. Just raise it straight up. Here's your bar. Unattach it right here. Stick it right there. First thing I always do, take the cap off. Let's go ahead and put it right here, it's fine. Helps the flow of the oil draining. Come to the bottom, 15 millimeter drain plug right here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Look at that. Factory D, put it on tight. Start to drain out. Oh no. Check that out. It's already a dirty brown. It's getting closer. It's just dripping right now. I just let it keep on dripping until it's pretty much done. Go ahead and take that out and put it in the napkin. That's the drain plug. The gasket's still on there. Just want to clean it up. Still draining. Here's the AC Delco. It's a PF64. Comes from the factory if you want to keep on using the factory filters. Check how pretty this looks under here. Nice and clean. It's still dripping. So, in the meantime, I moved the pan over a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and take this filter off. Should be pretty easy. Oh, look at that. Factory D and put it on tight. That's ridiculous. Just let it drain a little bit. Spins right off. Go ahead and give yourself a little paper towel. You're gonna get a little messy every once in a while. So now I got two. I got the oil filter one draining, and I still got the pan draining. Alright. Filter's finally done draining. The pan's still dripping. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the filter on. I'm gonna use a Purelator PL 11403. This came from the factory, AC Delco PF64. Either one's fine. Huge debate. I always take and fill my filter up, especially since I'm going to be putting it up like this. So if you have a car like this, different story, but since this car is going to be like this, we're going to fill the filter up. Filter is nice and dry. It's going to be kind of hard to do this as recording and fill, so I'm going to hit pause. Alright, it's no longer dry. You can see the oil in there. There you go. You can see a little bit of oil now. See it? There you go. It's draining down a little bit, but I'm going to fill it back up. Alright, now it's back to full. The filter inside soaks up all the oil. See, you can see it in there now. Alright, it's pretty simple. Where is the... There it is. See it? Just put it on. Takes a couple times to, and there it goes. See how easy it spins on? Just go ahead and just hand tighten it. You don't need to crank this thing. There we go. And this baby's still dripping. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down and put the filter on, or the plug back in there. Check this out. Just gonna wipe it down, then boom. Here comes the drips again. So it's good enough for now. See, the gasket's still on the plug. Just go ahead and tighten it back on. Grab a paper towel. Grab your 15 millimeter. It doesn't take much. It's aluminum, see? Nice and snug. It's all you need. You don't need to crank it. Go ahead and grab a paper towel. Wipe everything down. Make it look all nice so you don't get dirt building up here easily. So plug's back in, filter's back in. Let's add some oil now. Alright, today I'm using Pennzoil 5W20. Normally don't use Pennzoil, but today these were on clearance. I got this for $3 a quart, so I'm gonna say yeah. Make sure your filter is nice and clean. You just go ahead and pour it in there. Pretty simple stuff. I believe the manufacturer said 4.2 quarts, so we're gonna do 4 quarts for sure. And we're gonna do like a quarter of a bottle for the 4.2. Alright, just got them filling up. Dipstick's right there. It's gonna be hard to kind of read it by while I'm recording. So you want to take and clean it off, stiff it back in there. Just remove the funnel. Don't forget, put your cap back on. Alright, everything should be good to go. Everything all looks tight. So go ahead and unhook this. Place it back in the holder. Shut your hood. Now we're in the car. Take your little fancy key, stick it in the ignition. I got 783 miles. Over here on the lever, let me go ahead and turn my radio down. Let's just select right here. And it's going to show the trip and the vehicle. So we're going to hit it to select one time, move over to the vehicle. Now we got this little thing right here. It says 89% left on my oil life. On the end, you got this little OK button. Just push and it says, are you sure you want to reset it? Take this and twist it to yes. And push the OK button. 100% oil life. On the newer trims, it's over here. But since this is the base model, that's how you do on the base model. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the select button so it goes back to trip. That's an oil change on a 2025 Chevy Trax base model.